In this video, we're going to walk through how the equipment tracking feature works inside of Monolith. To get started, from my Monolith tenant, what I'm going to do is come over to the left-hand menu, come down to the lab management section, and then click on equipment. And what this feature allows us to do is keep track of all the equipment items we have in our lab, so we can keep an eye on things like purchase date, cost, and where that particular piece of equipment lives. So here you can see everything that's already been added in our lab. So just a handy way to see anything we've already entered before. But to add a new piece of equipment, what we're going to do is click the top left new equipment button up here. And that's going to open up a modal where we can enter in information about this equipment item. So first thing we have is an asset number. This is basically just a number for Monolith to identify that equipment item. So I'm just going to put some numbers here. Next, we can select the vendor. So these, if we've already got some populated in our Monolith tenant, it's going to open up what's already been added before in a drop-down menu. You can also type in a new vendor, and that'll create it as a new item for you as well. For now, I'm just going to select Apple. Next, we can enter in the name of the equipment item. So let's say I've got a new MacBook Pro. We can enter in the model number. And we can enter in the equipment category. So let's just pretend that this is a forensic workstation. Next, we can enter in the serial number. Oops. And then we can enter in the purchase date, how much it cost. Something else that Monolith's going to do is auto-generate this barcode for you. So that's just a handy way to keep track of it as well if you're using a labeling system with barcodes, for example. And lastly, or almost lastly, we can enter in the location. So let's say that this is in our lab. And last thing we can add is a description. This is my new forensic workstation. And then we just have to click Add Equipment, and it will be added here. And here it is, right here at the bottom. So once you've created an item, if you need to go in and make edits, you can do that by clicking on these two left arrows here. Let me do this on a different item so it's a little easier for you to see. So you can click on the flyout arrows here to open the flyout menu, and that'll open up all the information we have for that item, and then up here at the top you can see we can edit it, and if you need to delete it, you can also delete it as well. And that is how the forensic equipment tracking feature works inside of Monolith. Thanks for watching.